It's here for Mimamuni Akwaba about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So, assembly abeto yenim na. I think the integrity of the police are really at stake. Now, same way, answer me better assembly subscribe and click the notification bell on the so and no and a dial screen so see and Mr. Yen sa pepe am. Now, same way maybe can me nyante ye obi na dia abeto yenim say esi e wo baby a friend no Gomua Mafem na yate se eye near Budumburam in the Gomua East District of the Central Region. Na police for assembly akoto wo mona so no yate se eye ewuku senya police force then I don't know, but if I'm mistaken I'm ofan cheme na rehosem esi rehosem esanso bufusem senior police for no they yet no they weren't very professional in a matter like this. Now, it's here for young court and send so. As a matter your name say a 40-year-old man, and there many workers say he's fighting for his life. Now, sending me say nipa boni phobi ako one second. It was 7 previous and the show one. Just in the show no, and I just say will be ako 1 second. There many workers say a branch and a nebra. And then some betu your name. I watch say ninya no the show no. Just say ya tetekra. Na senior police for no handle this matter no and no na family no ya na wo be beka say ba na sen ene yekwo wo ne sekan e wo ne hwewa ho ntokwa na esi ye eden na esi ye abrante ne de abrante ne ya wo ne sekan me ni medjuma poti ya wo ye na de yate ene se ana de ema nsensem we ni aba ne se abrante ne wo hene bi esuma no se wo no ohene no ye ne nim se Ghana eba traditional ana eba traditional areas ni sa we na ahemfo ena sebe wo moton wasase ema nkrofo na abrante no ohene ne soma ne se wono ohene no wenyanteye se wobi esi dan ewo ono ohene ne nasase so na abrante no enkohwe se eye ne kra eno ne asema ne brother e de abeto yenim ebia na ohene ne kra na esoma abrante se abrante nko sake sankrofo ne mfi asase ne so se den yenim ba ne bra e de abeto yenim ne se ohene ne soma abrante ne se wonkohwe se ne kra na abrante no esanse won pese wono nkwa beko no wo penadamfo bi eka ne ho se wo mu mienu no wo mo nko no mo nkwa asase ne so na wo mo nkohwe se edien na esi ne kra asase ne yese eye bebi a yebeka se ewo bush mu na eho na abrante no woni nadamfo no ekoye na wo mokoye no wo mokoto langas na the yet ene say langas they are numbered from bear 16 to 20 na tell say wo modoso yie a wo mo asase ne so. We've heard of several reports say langas ehu say wo asase so a ana langas hu say waba wo mo asase so a wo mo mbisa questions kra eho a wo mo be sha say wo mo bo. That's what we've heard from Omwa sebe langas attack yomo. Inti the yate and say langas ni hu say mbrantie tuyi aba asase ne so na omo ye say wo mo attack omo attack mbrantie. Na senya na langas wo mo doso ni nti no sebe mbrantie ana brantie 40-year-old man on na damfo yi wo mo ye commando say den kana komuntumi ene langas na enko because langas wo mo omo numbers ye be ye 20 de sebe mu ye 2 pe wati ase wo mo bebu mu ekumo. Inti abrante ne nadamfo ne ye o ma dwe se wo mu bedwane inti wo mu dwane no na tese langas ne nsa so omumu a ye bo wo mo fimfram tese ye bo tese ye se insio no ebo wa menka se epra wo ho hwe wankasa ye se hwe de ye bo wo mo. They were the victims. They were beaten very badly. Na ye bo wo mo na anso ho a tese langas ye be hwa ne se ba kwa twese kan abrante ne hwe wa ho so afi moje nuno na still ye bu no wo fom ho obi a lese kan ya wo hwe wan sebe me ye be ma o na be ma de at least wo hwe wan ho pa ye wo se kan etie for ebe ya na branch da fom kikim na nyame nchadum ye nyante ye se na police for bi ana de ya tene se na police for bi ewo around ewo bush nim na police one tie no mo so mo ye den wo mo ba around na police one ba around na branch no ene na danfo na ye bu o mo wo fom ho no mo ni age because omo nim se police for abade a omo a wo mo di san nyambran se mbo ye be chi omo but mind you say langas wo mo ye be 20 police for e ba no wo mo ndoso Inti send the microphone on my betty keti police for the command one move through. Now the action of the police no and no na one. You say a branch here I want to say can what that for my work came no. Police for the buyer. Police for the mo boalangas no my abo a branch and then down for no. Now will be nim say police for no slow na now musro langas no say then you. Police for no bo a branch and I want to say kind no. Langas no. Na police for ni wie na nso ho e na wo mo so abrantie ni mu ene na danfo no e de handcuff eto wo nsa e de yo to prison police cells etiefo asema me ne o kan enye small na abrantie ne nua e na ode asem yi abeto yenim ni nua ne din e de Kwaku dollar ana ase nya obeka ne bia Kwaku dollar o se Kwaku dollar however you call him etiefo enye easy etiefo inti aseme ye tiaso a police for sabe you need to be very professional victims ni mo na mo akwache e na mo bo okay enye hwe e bia yesi de inti a police for na ebo mo na de inti a police for na e de mo akwato counter back ne say police for na say sam branch two way wo mo e na sabe wo mo ekope ntokwa se wo mo akosa asase ne so no wo mo na ekope ntokwa se na medinga nche no abrante ni nua e na wo de asem na beto yenim e bia na sa 40-year-old man ni wo ko ho na wo koye gidigidi e na nipa ko asase no eye ne dia na nipa ko a wo si dan wo friend and crop man ne bai e bia na that's the case but asema me pese me catch police for the same mo abeto say ya wo bi sikan e wo ne hwe wa ho from what we are hearing and the pictures we've actually seen pictures mean to me fan to have because they are very gory. It's against the rules of YouTube. From what we are hearing and the pictures we've seen no police for no a branch and a seven they show ho e yati. If for nothing at all or your arm robber crana, what you need to do is a police for was somebody a branch and a call a hospital. Now what be a sebi moja enu say yemfa no enkotena cells. Now police for you know this into that day in the same way more penny and a motina washer Emma same way akoso say. What the langas na musro say mo bechi o mo ayate because yenim Ghana he yenim police for bebre musro langas musro omo o de yenim ebia police for ekoy no mo ndo so langas 20 say be police for mo ye 5 say den krana langas for no betumi ache abomo on betumi ache egumo so mo 5 no more de omo abomo enti ebia police for na langas na musro yate but say mo akoto say langard abu obi from the story we've heard though say mo akoto say langard abu obi a woda for ma wo sun wo di areho wo ni ni say moja enyu no police for mo mbu nipa ko no enka ho yesi ye ho no police for ne bu nipa ko ni na danfo ne kan ho say wo mo bu mo kan ho a enye easy na o the police for ebia langard for ne nim enta na mo ye bibi say langard for ne hu say oh the police is on our side we dey mate ebia ni nia mu no suro na musuro omo yate wa bongrofo na ewie se wa bu na ewie na wo chi na ko ana wo ma langard for na believe say wo chi omo akwa aden na ewo se wo de no ekoto sales mu embra wo hu se nipa ko no ya wo ne seka sorry ya wo ne hwe wa ho sekan a moja enyu no a ne hwe wa no ya ate police then there was a way fast there was a then a call hospital immediately police for na was somebody a branch and a call hospital na tema a branch no ne bra any yen be twetwe nkomo no na was say me I don't know for right now I've not heard sisi amu but tema woni yen be twetwe nkomo no na wo can say after 3 to 4 hours of the incident na still ne bra no e da cell so a wono kra ne yem hihye no ema no senya ne brand air no kra ne yem hihye ne se ne brand wo bewu na mesusupi say we've actually not heard from the police force one side of the story yente ebia na asem ne kra nye say nete but ne bra air kan ntin wo beka ama a favor eye ni nua na ya wo ne sekan no but we enayate from people who were around from Abranti and the family asem we enayaye den yate into Montreal mwadwen e wo comment box mo tie for if indeed this story is very very true there then the integrity of the police akwai say sa budumburam area kran no sansensem we ekoso because in Grofo bebre kan em say Kennedy Japan kran campaign say ka so ende say ende where madam fubi a why na adwen say wokoto asase ye ka je ne sa asase ne wo kasoa no wo se da bi on to biom ama nkrofo suo nsase e wo kasoa because so beti a yes landguard akiese landguard akoese e wo na wo mu ni na so dodo na ase kasoa ho na no mugu ye nim de esi police for yesremo sa kasoa nsa asensem we e sha ase nkete sa ne he mo twa mo adwen comment box ni mo tie for me da ase